Hello, and welcome to today's edition of Daily AI Brief. We have a riveting lineup exploring the latest in AI technologies, innovations, and how these developments are shaping industries across the board. From NVIDIA's new open source toolkit to Anthropic's cutting edge cybersecurity initiatives, we'll delve into what these advancements mean for developers, enterprises, and the broader AI ecosystem. Let's dive in. In today's evolving AI landscape, NVIDIA has made a notable advancement with the launch of AITune, an open source toolkit specifically crafted to optimize the deployment of PyTorch models on NVIDIA GPUs. This release embodies NVIDIA's continuous effort to advance model inference performance, facilitating efficient deployment of deep learning applications by developers worldwide. The centerpiece of AITune's functionality is its ability to automatically select the most efficient inference backend for any PyTorch model. This feature fundamentally changes how developers approach model deployment. By evaluating various inference backends that are compatible with PyTorch models, AITune uses a smart backend selection process to enhance performance, ensuring that models run as efficiently as possible on NVIDIA hardware. It seamlessly integrates with existing PyTorch workflows, reducing disruptions typically associated with the adoption of new technologies. Additionally, AITune employs NVIDIA's architecture optimizations to maximize hardware efficiency, ensuring that every bit of computational potential is harnessed. This streamlined interaction between user PyTorch models and the toolkit is made possible through well-defined APIs. While NVIDIA has yet to release specific numerical benchmarks for AITune, historical data from projects like TensorRT suggests that users can anticipate significant performance improvements. These improvements, however, remain unspecified at this time, which calls for potential users to remain observant of future updates and performance insights. It's important to address potential trade-offs. AITune's effectiveness is closely tied to the hardware capabilities inherent in NVIDIA GPUs, which may result in limited applicability for models not based on PyTorch. Additionally, this focus on NVIDIA's ecosystem might limit its appeal to individuals reliant on alternative platforms. The absence of validated performance metrics might pose a challenge to early adopters, requiring them to make an informed yet cautious commitment. For those eager to explore AITune, visiting the official AITune repository on GitHub is a solid starting point. There, enthusiasts can access comprehensive updates and documentation. By exploring integration examples within NVIDIA's array of open-source projects, users can better understand how to leverage AITune alongside PyTorch models, facilitating a smoother adoption curve. In summary, NVIDIA AITune promises to streamline the model deployment process on its powerful GPUs, potentially accelerating the delivery of AI applications across diverse industries. As the tool evolves, it could significantly reduce deployment timelines and enhance the efficiency of AI applications, solidifying NVIDIA's role as an enabler of innovation in the AI field. Setting a new benchmark in cybersecurity, Anthropic has launched Claude Mythos, an AI model designed to identify software vulnerabilities, especially zero-day threats. Operating under Project Glasswing in collaboration with 12 partner organizations, including tech leaders like Amazon and Apple, the initiative aims to fortify cybersecurity defenses. Claude Mythos utilizes advanced machine learning techniques for vulnerability detection, autonomously linking vulnerabilities using sophisticated algorithms. A primary focus is on unmasking zero-day vulnerabilities across multiple web browsers and operating systems. The model leverages adaptive learning mechanisms to not only identify but predict potential threats, thereby enhancing its cybersecurity arsenal. Anthropic reports that Claude Mythos can uncover thousands of vulnerabilities, some of which have remained hidden for decades. This monumental capability allows organizations to proactively safeguard their systems, potentially saving billions in damages. Project Glasswing involves a network of 12 companies, positioning the initiative as a collaborative force in cybersecurity. However, details regarding the public release of Claude Mythos remain unannounced, casting uncertainty over immediate accessibility and widespread use. Despite its transformative capability, the risk of misuse is paramount. If unauthorized entities gain access, there's a significant danger of exploiting AI-identified vulnerabilities for malicious purposes. This underscores the necessity for stringent access controls and ethical guidelines to govern the model's deployment. For organizations aiming to strengthen their cybersecurity infrastructure, engaging with Anthropic through Project Glasswing is a strategic move. By integrating Claude Mythos, they can fortify their defenses against sophisticated cyber threats. As the public release timeline becomes clearer, staying updated will be vital for these organizations. Claude Mythos stands at the forefront of AI-driven cyber defense, but its adoption necessitates a careful equilibrium between leveraging its benefits and mitigating risks. The model has the potential to reshape cybersecurity standards, pushing organizations towards a more proactive stance on threat detection and remediation. This paradigm shift signals an era where AI could play a crucial role in securing digital frontiers, albeit under the watchful eye of rigorous management and oversight. Anthropic's recent launch of Claude-managed agents is set to ease the deployment of AI agents by removing infrastructure management hurdles, thus allowing companies to focus on AI functionality rather than back-end logistics. Claude-managed agents is a suite of composable APIs designed to facilitate the creation of autonomous AI systems. By handling infrastructure management, these APIs significantly reduce the development time from months to days, making it a game changer for enterprises looking to streamline AI integration. The APIs include predefined templates for common tasks and integrate seamlessly with existing enterprise workflows while offering built-in guardrails for responsible AI use. The systems manage a 10x faster agent building process compared to traditional methods, drastically cutting down deployment cycles. This improved efficiency demonstrates significant potential in various enterprise environments, as the technology is already causing a stir among industry stakeholders. Technically, the APIs facilitate flexible architecture, allowing developers to customize and build upon various elements to suit specific business needs. This flexibility empowers companies to develop AI solutions that can autonomously handle tasks such as data analysis, customer interactions, or process automation without the cumbersome setup of back-end systems. However, initial adoption may be sluggish as organizations evaluate efficacy in real-world applications. Some limitations include potential dissatisfaction with the level of customization due to predefined structures, and dependency on Anthropic's infrastructure reliability might pose risks. Furthermore, the scalability of the solution across larger enterprises remains an area for observation. Enterprises can explore the Claude-managed agents overview for detailed documentation or try demo code from the API repository to understand the integration potential for their workflows. Engaging with these resources offers practical insights and trial opportunities that can aid in a smoother transition to using the managed agents. Claude-managed agents might well be the key to unlocking faster, more efficient AI deployment in enterprise environments, provided they pass the initial robustness and customizability tests. As companies increasingly lean towards automation, these agents could redefine workforce strategies, albeit with ongoing scrutiny regarding their ethical and practical implications. As these factors interplay, Anthropic's offering could influence future trends in AI-driven business solutions. Meta has unveiled Muse Spark, a new multimodal reasoning model designed to process both visual and textual inputs. Developed within Meta's superintelligence labs, this model is engineered to enhance complex reasoning tasks, particularly in areas like science, math, and health. Muse Spark aims to solidify Meta's competitive stance against companies like OpenAI and Anthropic. The technological backbone of Muse Spark is its ability to handle multimodal inputs, facilitated by a specialized contemplating mode. This feature allows the usage of multiple agents in parallel, targeting complex question resolution. The architecture supports integration across Meta's platforms, such as Facebook and Instagram, marking a new chapter in user interaction capabilities. Expected to outperform previous models like Llama 4, Muse Spark promises to enhance user engagement with its superior reasoning capabilities. However, despite these promises, independent evaluations are still pending, making it essential for potential adopters to await external benchmarking. Muse Spark is not without its challenges. Privacy concerns due to user data utilization linger, coupled with the proprietary nature of the model, limiting community-driven enhancements. Users interested in Muse Spark should explore API access by visiting Meta's platforms and stay updated via official Meta blogs for integration documentation. Muse Spark represents a significant step toward redefining interactions on Meta's social platforms, subject to overcoming existing privacy and validation challenges. Digging deeper into Muse Spark, its architecture facilitates efficient processing by leveraging advanced computational frameworks that allow seamless operation across different media types. This multimodality is crucial in scenarios demanding comprehensive analysis and synthesis of information, such as automated scientific research and dynamic health data interpretation. By incorporating vast datasets and diverse input formats, MuseSpark delivers a robust foundation for Meta's APIs. The model's contemplating mode orchestrates multiple processing agents, akin to parallel computing, which optimizes throughput and enhances decision-making speed. This is particularly valuable for scenarios involving real-time data analysis where delay is not an option, such as healthcare diagnostics and financial forecasting. A paramount focus during development has been ensuring MuseSpark's small footprint and agility, key aspects given the extensive use across Meta's ecosystem expected after its rollout. This characteristic not only facilitates cost-effective implementation, but also broadens MuseSpark's application scope to devices with limited processing capabilities, potentially extending its impact beyond Meta's own platforms. However, MuseSpark's advancement is tempered by significant trade-offs. Its non-open source nature constrains innovations driven by community input and raises concerns about data transparency. User skepticism around how privacy is handled, especially with data intensely leveraged for its training, calls for Meta to maintain transparent communication and stringent privacy assurances. In the coming months, as Meta continues to refine Muse Spark, it will be crucial for the company to foster collaborative partnerships and provide comprehensive documentation to ease potential integrations. The extent to which Meta can manage privacy concerns and demonstrate verifiable model efficacy will likely dictate MuseSpark's adoption rate and long-term success across competitive AI landscapes. The role of artificial intelligence, AI, in the construction industry is becoming increasingly pivotal, especially in the domain of data center builds. As AI technology expands, it is driving a substantial increase in data center capacity, now accounting for a remarkable 70% of new growth as reported by AITune. This demand surge prompts significant shifts in how construction projects are planned and executed. In the face of this boom, AI integration in construction is revolutionizing project management. By employing AI-driven tools, construction managers can streamline the procurement and installation of vital power systems. AI models facilitate tracking long lead items, such as generators and chillers, effectively mitigating schedule risks associated with extended lead times. This is crucial, considering that delays in equipment like high-power transformers have surged to an unprecedented 5 years. Furthermore, energy management systems leveraging AI can continuously monitor environmental factors, optimizing settings to maintain operational efficiency while attempting to minimize the ecological footprint of these vast infrastructures. Despite the potential for increased efficiency, the construction industry faces formidable challenges. A significant 94% of data center operators highlight a glaring shortage of skilled construction personnel, exacerbating delays and stretching project timelines. Compounding this issue, 80% of data center projects grapple with severe equipment lead time problems, with over a third of these projects experiencing delays of 12 weeks or more. The trade-offs of this rapid development include serious environmental concerns. The heat output from AI-powered data centers has been linked to surface temperature increases, with areas near these centers experiencing an average rise of 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This issue affects over 340 million people across North America, Europe, and Asia, potentially complicating urban planning and zoning regulations as data centers increasingly contribute to local heat islands. Addressing these multifaceted challenges requires a synergistic approach, leveraging AI tools effectively while reinforcing the wisdom of traditional construction practices. Developers and stakeholders are encouraged to delve into resources like Eaton's comprehensive report for insights on AI's impact, or to engage with platforms like TechTarget and Archdesk for analyses and case studies that showcase successful AI integrations. If synchronously adopted, AI's infusion into the construction workflow could herald a new era of efficiency, effectively balancing innovation with ecological and logistical responsibilities. However, this integration will require careful orchestration, ensuring technological advancements complement rather than replace traditional expertise, thereby offering nuanced solutions to the complex problems posed by the burgeoning data center landscape. Google has taken significant steps towards refining conversational AI through the introduction of ConvApparel, a groundbreaking dataset and evaluation framework designed to advance the realism of user simulators. This strategic development seeks to address the pervasive realism gap often encountered in AI-driven interactions, particularly within conversational recommenders that play a crucial role in influencing user satisfaction. At the core of ConvApparel's innovative approach is a dual-agent data collection protocol. This method facilitates the capture of both effective and ineffective recommendation processes across a dataset that includes over 4,000 human-AI shopping dialogues. Such a large volume of data not only enriches the validation framework, but also allows for an extensive assessment of conversational realism and performance accuracy. A notable feature of ConvApparel is its incorporation of statistical alignment methods combined with a human likeness scoring system. These tools collectively provide a rigorous mechanism for evaluating how well the simulators emulate human conversational patterns. By performing counterfactual validation, the ConvApparel framework tests models against varied user inputs, offering a nuanced understanding of their efficacy. The resulting data-driven simulators have demonstrated superior performance in reflecting user behaviors compared to traditional prompt-based baselines. While ConvApparel has exhibited promising results, its broader applicability beyond shopping-related contexts remains an open question. The scalability of the dual-agent protocol to other domains is still unproven, and potential biases in dataset annotations could influence the outcomes. Furthermore, the long-term effectiveness of this framework across diverse AI applications continues to be examined. For AI developers eager to harness these advancements, Google Research provides detailed documentation on ConvApparel. Implementing the dual-agent protocol can significantly enhance realism in AI training pipelines, while the outlined counterfactual validation methodologies present valuable strategies for improving AI development outcomes. By tackling the realism gap, ConvApparel endeavors to align AI interactions more closely with human expectations, fostering increased satisfaction and trust in AI-driven recommendations. This effort not only aims to elevate the standards of current conversational recommender systems, but also sets a precedent for future innovations in AI realism. Recent research unveils a novel framework for using AI to enhance SQL code review processes, specifically targeting PostgreSQL systems. This innovative three-phase approach encompasses natural language to SQL translation, query execution and analysis, and insight generation, aimed at empowering non-technical users to derive insights from complex datasets while reducing the workload on experienced database administrators, DBAs. The framework's first phase, natural language to SQL translation, utilizes advanced natural language processing (NLP) technologies to interpret and convert human language queries into syntactically correct SQL commands. Given the complexity of relational databases, this NLP integration significantly simplifies user interaction, eliminating manual code writing for those unfamiliar with SQL. In the second phase, query execution and analysis, AI tools automatically assess the performance of SQL queries. This involves executing the queries and utilizing algorithms to detect inefficiencies or redundancies, a critical step for optimizing query speed and accuracy. AI-powered performance analysis reduces the likelihood of common errors, such as inefficient joins or incorrect indexing, which can often slow down database operations. The third phase, insight generation, gives rise to actionable feedback, allowing both technical and non-technical stakeholders to comprehend the database outputs effectively. This feedback can be instrumental in strategic decision-making as it converts raw data into meaningful patterns and trends. From a practical perspective, the automation brought by this AI framework addresses several challenges in SQL code review. It streamlines the process by replacing manual validations with automated testing, drastically cutting down time spent on routine checks. Moreover, tools like AI2 SQL provide real-time suggestions for SQL query enhancements, offering instantaneous corrections and optimizations. Despite the framework's promising potential, AI-generated queries, which are often only syntactically correct, might still contain semantic inaccuracies. This underscores the indispensable role of human oversight to verify the accuracy and relevance of AI outputs. As with most AI applications, the effectiveness of these tools is contingent upon the complexity of the database environment and the robustness of the algorithms employed. For professionals seeking to leverage these advancements, exploring AI2 SQL's documentation via ausql.io/AI blog/automated review with AI streamline your database workflows /AI2SQL.io blog/automated school code review with AI streamline your database workflows that you source OpenAI. And testing platforms like Navicat's AI Assistant can provide valuable insights into automated SQL code reviews and optimization processes. In essence, the integration of AI in SQL code reviews represents a transformative shift in database management, where mundane tasks are automated, allowing DBAs to focus on strategic, high-level decisions. This AI-driven approach not only enhances efficiency, but also invites a reconsideration of traditional DBA roles, potentially shifting focus towards more complex, creative aspects of database management. However, the need for continuous human involvement highlights AI's role as a powerful augment rather than a replacement for expert human judgment. Seedance 2 has rolled out a novel token-based pricing model for its AI video generation services, structured to cater to diverse user needs through a variety of plans. This innovative approach offers 3 main subscription tiers: Starter, Standard, and Premium. Each tier is designed to support different project requirements by providing a specified allocation of credits, which can be redeemed for video creation tasks. At the core of this structure is the Starter plan, delivering 3,600 credits annually. Priced at $19 per month, it becomes even more appealing with a 20% discount for those opting for annual billing. The Premium plan, meanwhile, significantly increases the credit offering to 18,000 annually, ideal for users with higher demands. To accommodate surges in video production, additional one-time credit packs are available for purchase, ensuring users can stay on track without interruption. Commercial licenses and unrestricted usage rights are uniformly included across all tiers, pivotal for businesses looking to leverage these videos without legal hindrances. Delving deeper into this token allocation system, credits are issued in bulk and remain valid for a full year with a paid subscription, allowing businesses and developers to plan projects with more flexibility. While the pricing model fosters adaptability, certain elements remain ambiguous. Particularly, the costs tied to varying video quality levels, such as 1080p and 4K, are not detailed up front. This omission necessitates direct communication with Seedance 2 for exact pricing details, especially for users planning to produce high-resolution content. The lack of clear costing for quality levels may challenge precise financial planning and lead to potential overexpenditure if not carefully managed. Practical steps to harness Seedance 2's offerings include visiting their official pricing portal and experimenting with their free demo option. Such actions enable prospective users to gauge the platform's functionalities before financial commitment. Users are encouraged to evaluate different subscription tiers and calculate savings achievable through discounted annual billing. In essence, understanding Seedance 2's pricing dynamics is crucial. By navigating through these flexible plans, enterprises can align their video generation activities with their budgetary frameworks. However, the importance of clarifying video quality costs cannot be overstated. It is a necessary pursuit for ensuring comprehensive financial planning and maximizing the platform's full potential. Engaging directly with Seedance for these details positions users to make well-informed decisions tailored to both current and projected project scales. That concludes today's episode of Daily AI Brief. We hope these insights into NVIDIA's AITune, Anthropic security models, and more have sparked ideas for innovation and implementation in your projects. Stay tuned to our next episode for the latest updates in the AI world. Until then, keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Goodbye.